Hi, my name is Edgar from IRBIS HVAC, and I'm here to do maintenance. That way you can have a safety and healthy air quality at your home. I'm gonna proceed with cover my shoes. That way we can protect your floor. So open the furnace section. I'm gonna start doing it is start checking all the components to the furnace to see if we don't find any components that are loose or they're not connected before we do the startup. So these sections, that's all the components for the electrical, and we got the blower motor also. So I'm gonna start opening it and check everything inside. Now we have all the components for the furnace. We got the mother, that's the control board. We got all the electrical. Here we have the blower motor. So I'm gonna proceed to check everything before we start up the system. Now we have the inducer draft motor. That's the first thing to start. Now the pressure switch, and the third one we have the igniter, so it's gonna start your system, and after that the gas valve is gonna start open, so we can start check everything is working functional. We're done with the inspection. We just checked all the heat exchangers for any cracks. That one is prevents any damage on your equipment and it's safety. Now we can just find here a lot of dust on your equipment inside here, also on the top. That's why it's very important to have a member clubs with us, because that way we can just take care of your system and clean it and safe and healthy for your family. So after we complete with the maintenance, we start completing checklist that we have. That way we not forget anything, and that way you can have everything on record on your own. So let's make sure they got power and we're ready to go. So now it's time to replace the filter. So here we have the old filter. That's how the dust is collected. That's a brand new filter. You see the difference? Definitely they need to be replaced. It's time to do a test from the thermostat. So now we're checking, and we got 20 degrees from the thermostat. You can see it. It's nice and warm. Now we complete everything on your system. So now everything is safe. So trust IRBIS, and we're here to help you. You can schedule it for a free appointment today.